Hey everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your YouTube videos. I'm going to show you both how to add music to a video you've already uploaded and how to add music to a video that you're still editing. So to get started, what you want to do is come to your YouTube Studio. You can get here just by searching up YouTube Studio on Google and then logging into your YouTube. Next, on the side here, you want to select Content. And then in your list of videos, you want to find the video that you want to add music to. So I'll just select this one right here. And then I want to click on this little pencil. And then again on the side here, come down and click on Editor. So when you click on that, it's going to take you to YouTube's little built-in video editor here. And what you want to do is in this options menu, you want to come to Audio and then come all the way over and click on the plus sign here. What that's going to do is open up YouTube's audio library, which has a bunch of free non-copyright music that you can use. So you can go and scroll through this list here, and if you want to preview a song, you can click on the little play button here. And to add a song to the video editor, you just want to come over to the right-hand side and click on the add button. Now, if the music that you want to add has this CC logo next to it, that means that you need to add attribution to the song in your description. So you would just have to click on the CC, and then you want to go ahead and copy this here and put it in your video description. So as you can see, when I clicked on that plus button earlier, it added the song to the audio track. So the song is going to be pretty loud when you first add it. So if you want to turn the volume down, you can come over all the way to the right-hand side and click on these three dots. And then you can turn down the mix level right here. If you want to adjust where the song is playing at in the video, all you need to do is drag the sides here to where you want it to be. And then you also want to move this audio track. So once you got the music set how you want it, you can just come up to the corner and click on save. Alright, so now let me show you how to add music to a video that you haven't uploaded yet that you still are editing. Alright, so here I am inside my video editor. This one is called DaVinci Resolve. It's completely free. Another good video editor that you can use is CapCut PC. This is what it looks like. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have the music that you want to use downloaded on your computer. So earlier I showed you the YouTube audio library. If you want to download and get music from there, you can do that. You just need to make sure that the music that you use is non-copyrighted. If you use copyrighted music, you won't be able to make any money on that video, and it could end up getting you a copyright claim or strike on your channel. The place that I get music from personally is this website called Epidemic Sound. It does cost a little bit of money, but I just like the music selection a lot better than YouTube's audio library. It's a pretty popular site that a lot of other big YouTubers and streamers get their music from. If you want to check it out, I'll leave my link to it down in the description. That'll give you a 7-day free trial. Alright, so now to import music here on DaVinci Resolve, what you want to do is come down to the bottom and click on this third button here. This is the Edit tab. Then in the top left corner, you want to click on File, Import, then Media. This would also be the same way that you import a video. When you click on that, it's just going to open up your file explorer and you want to go and locate and select your song. Alright, my song's been added to the media pool here, so now I can just drag it onto the timeline. If I want to change the length of the song, all I need to do is drag on the sides here and then move it to where I want it to be. If you want to change the volume, what you need to do is hover your mouse over the sound wave here until you see this up and down arrow, and then you can go ahead and drag down. Finally, let's say you want to have the song fade in and out with the video. What you want to do is hover your mouse over the top corner until you see this little white symbol here, and then you want to drag over, and you can do that with the other side. So that's pretty much it. Once you're done editing and ready to export, you just want to come down and click on this rocket ship at the bottom. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.